Hi, welcome to another Bikers Around Birmingham video. Basically what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be fitting an upgraded part to this mountain bike here. We are replacing the crank, bottom bracket and pedals. We managed to source the parts off eBay for £40, which is pretty good considering the type of part and the condition that they are in, which is actually really good. Yeah, we're going to be taking this thing apart, cleaning it, replacing the crank arm, bottom bracket and pedals, because these are well past their life. It feels rough when you rotate it. The pedals are about had it, so we're going to crack on with that. That went better than I thought it was going to. Normally they can strip the threads or they get corroded on there, but no, that came off quite easy compared to something that I've dealt with in the past. What we've got to do now is get this bottom bracket out. Hopefully it doesn't put too much of a fight. Let's get straight into it. Okay, we've done really well so far. There's the old bits that we've taken out. They are not in the greatest of condition, especially this this bottom bracket. It is pretty well ruined, but it's not great, let's put it that way. So we're going to switch from that frankly nasty, horrible, disgusting stuff to this. Alright, these are the new parts that are going to go on. What we're going to do now is clean the area, make sure it's all nice and clean. I'm going to put some grease on the internal thread there, just to make it easy to remove should we have to do it in the future. Always a good idea to grease things up as you go along, make it easier for the next person to come along and when they've got to do a repair or servicing. Yeah, we're going to crack on with that, get some cleaning done.
I'm going to put that around my two fingers just so I can get them in there. Lift a little trick I learned. There we go.
And here we are with the finished article. The installation went really well. It's turned out absolutely brilliant, and it spins much smoother than it was before, and it shifts absolutely bang on. I'm really pleased with the way that's turned out. I've still got a couple of little jobs to do on this thing. I've got to bleed the front brakes and it should be good to go after that. It's been quite a good little job. I'm really pleased with this. And just to give you a heads up on what we took out, this is what we took out. It's pretty nasty. The bearings are corroded and rough as old boots. The crank arms are quite heavy. They're the same 3x7 setup you get on any cheap department store or catalogue bike, so it's good to get rid of it. That's all junk. So there we go. I want to thank you all for watching, and we will see you on another video.